5 things you should add to elevate a boring neutral room. Does your room feel like it's missing something? Maybe it's functional, neat, and perfectly fine, but it just doesn't have that wow factor. If you've ever felt this way, you're not alone. We all want our spaces to feel cozy, inviting, and uniquely ours, but figuring out how to make that happen? If you're like me, you've probably scrolled through social media or flipped through a design magazine and felt that pang of jealousy when you see those perfectly curated, immaculately decorated spaces. You know, the ones that just seem to radiate warmth and personality, but then you look around your own space and think, how do I get that? How do I make my space feel cozy and inviting? Let's face it, decorating can be overwhelming. We've all been there, standing in a furniture store surrounded by endless options and feeling completely lost. Or maybe you're on a tight budget and don't know where to start. Or perhaps you're just not feeling inspired and your space is feeling stale and boring. Whatever it is, I get it. Decorating can be tough. But what if I told you that there are a few game-changing pieces that can make all the difference? One of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to decorating is thinking that they need to break the bank or start from scratch. But the truth is, it's all about making intentional choices and incorporating a few key pieces that can elevate your entire space. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Moving on, let's dive into the good stuff. 5 things you should add to elevate a boring neutral room. Bring in statement lighting. Swap out basic lighting for a sculptural lamp or a dramatic chandelier. Lighting isn't just functional, it's an instant mood lifter. Experiment with warm-toned bulbs for a cozy ambiance or dimmers to create a dynamic atmosphere. Mix old with new. Blend modern furniture with vintage or antique pieces. A retro chest or ornate mirror can bring in charm and uniqueness. The contrast of old and new adds depth to your design story and gives your room a curated feel. Create layers with curtains. Layering curtains, like a light sheer with heavier blackout drapes, adds elegance and makes your windows a design element. Choose fabrics that add texture and consider patterns to subtly elevate the room's aesthetic. Add a feature ceiling. Why leave your ceiling plain when it can make a statement? Try painting it a soft, contrasting color, adding wallpaper, or installing wood beams. A feature ceiling draws the eye upward, adding drama and depth. Incorporate floor cushions or poofs. Floor cushions or poofs aren't just for boho spaces. They can add warmth and extra seating in a neutral room. Choose neutral tones with interesting textures or patterns to keep the look cohesive. So, which of these ideas spoke to you? Are you team with a bold ceiling, or do you lean towards soft lighting? Drop your favorites in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're planning to refresh your space. And hey, remember, your home should make you happy. It's your sanctuary, and the only rule that matters is that it feels you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior inspiration. Happy decorating! And if you're ready to design your dream home and bring your vision to life, check out the 14-day free trial link in our bio to get started today.